Good morning, class third. I hope you all are good at home and welcome back to online classes. So today we'll continue after that. I have finished the chapter yesterday only, but today I want to give you some hard words from the chapter from which are related to the chapter Save Water, Save the World, chapter number 3 from your book. So you have to open page number 36, 36, where I'll give you some words to write in your notebook, hard words. So first word you have to write in your notebook is vacation. What you have to write is on the left side of the page, you have to write hard words, and first one is vacation. Vacation, VACATION, vacation. And the second one is wonderful. Second one is wonderful. Third one you have to write is tube wells. Third one is tube wells. Tube wells. Fourth one is acute. Acute. Fifth one is different. Different. And sixth one is fetch. Sixth one is fetch. Seventh word is situation. Seventh word is situation. Eighth one is scarcity. Eighth one is sorry, scarcity. Ninth one is conservation. Ninth one is conservation. And 10th one is shortage. 10th one is shortage. So these are the hard words. You have to write these words in your notebook, left side of the page. First one is vacation, second one is wonderful, third one is tube wells, fourth one is acute, fifth one is different, sixth one is fetch, seventh one is situation, eighth one is scarcity, ninth one is conservation, and 10th and last one is shortage. So these are the words you have to write in your notebook, and you have to repeat these words again after these words written. So after that you have to write word meanings. You have already given in your textbook. There are only 5 word meanings, so you have to complete in your notebook. So you have to write the heading of the word meaning. You have to write word meaning on the top of the page, and then you have to write one side word and another side meaning, and you have to draw a line in between, and then you have to write grin. Grin means होता है a broad smile. Grin means होता है a broad smile, एक लंबी सी smile देना, उसे बोला जाता है grin. एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज ट्रिप. ट्रिप होती है जर्नी. जर्नी जिसको हिंदी में बोलते हैं यात्रा. हम कहीं अगर जा रहे हैं, उसके बारे में किसी को बता रहे हैं, तो उसे बोला जाता है जर्नी. देन नेक्स्ट वन इज एक्यूट. एक्यूट मीन्स होता है बहुत ज़्यादा, सिवियर, बहुत ज़्यादा, कुछ भी कह सकते हैं. एक्यूटली सीरियस है वो, सिवियर प्रॉब्लम है, तो उस तरीके से एक्यूट, सिवियर. द नेक्स्ट वन इज फैच. फैच मीन्स लाना कहीं से कोई चीज़, जैसे कि वो जो औरतें थी समूलपुर की, वो पानी लेकर आती थी टू फेच वाटर फ्रॉम वेरी फार, फ्रॉम वेरी फार. एंड ट्यूबवेल्स. ट्यूबवेल्स क्या होते हैं? वेल मेड बाय ड्राइविंग अ ट्यूब इनटू द अर्थ. ट्यूबवेल होते हैं, एक कुआं होता है जिसमें एक ट्यूब डाली जाती है अर्थ के अंदर, और उसके अंदर से पानी खींचा जाता है, उसे बोला जाता है ट्यूबवेल, जो मोटर के द्वारा खींचा जाता है, तो उसे बोलते हैं हम ट्यूब वेल. So these are the word meanings you have to write in your notebook, English literature notebook, and you have to make sure that you have to make new notebook for this work and complete your work in that notebook. And now move on page number 39, where I have to tell you the fill in the blanks with suitable words. So first one is Roshan met Sadiq at the school gate. Roshan met Sadiq, Sadiq. Roshan met Sadiq. So these are the fill-ups. Roshan met Sadiq. Sadiq at the school gate. And second one is Roshan had gone to dash in dash during the vacation. Roshan had gone to Samarpur in Rajasthan. Samarpur and then Rajasthan in summer vacation. Then third one is some women of Samarpur had to walk for kilometers to fetch water. To fetch water. So this is the answer of third fill-up. And fourth, last one is uh, Sadiq explained that the water level had gone down. What had gone down? Water level had gone down. So these are the answers of your fill-ups. And move on to the next exercise is the tick the correct option and fill in the blanks wherever needed. So C part is in order to save water, Nisha's family members completely stopped using dash while bathing. In order to save water, Nisha's family members completely stopped using dash while bathing. तो जो निशा के फैमिली मेंबर्स थे वो उन्होंने क्या बंद कर दिया था अ, अ, नहाने के टाइम पे क्या बंद कर दिया था शावर से दे यूज यस वाटर को सेव करने के लिए उन्होंने बाथटब आप कह सकते हो दे स्टॉप्ड यूजिंग shower. So you have to write use a bucket instead of a bathtub for bathing. ठीक है तो आप लिखोगे a bathtub. In order to save water, Nisha's family members completely stopped using a bathtub while bathing. So you will write B. Answer is correct. So B है उसका ये तो B part का है B and then C part है आपका उसका B option है फर्स्ट एंड फर्स्ट का और सेकेंड वन है people have started dash in many places to solve the water problem. So, people have started rainwater harvesting. C. People have started rainwater harvesting in many places to solve the water problem. So these are the answers of your tick the correct option and fill in the blanks wherever needed. So you can write these words from here. Now move on to the next is question and answer. Question and answer. First question is why did Roshan wake up earlier than usual that morning? कि जो रोशन था वो क्यों जल्दी उठ गया था उस सुबह क्यों जल्दी उठ गया था तो रोशन woke up earlier than usual because answer the following question. You write Roshan woke up earlier than usual. Roshan woke up earlier than usual because क्यों उठ गया था वो, क्योंकि उसे आफ्टर समर वेकेशन, बिकॉज हिज स्कूल वाज ओपनिंग आफ्टर द, बिकॉज हिज स्कूल, जो उसके स्कूल थे, हिज स्कूल वाज ओपनिंग आफ्टर द समर वेकेशन, आफ्टर द समर वेकेशन, जो उसके स्कूल थे वो ओपन होने थे समर वेकेशन के बाद. So this is the first answer. Second is what problems were the people of Samarpur facing? The people of Samarpur, yes, the people of Samarpur, the problems, the people of Samarpur faced shortage of water. The people of Samarpur faced the problem of water shortage. 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 Question is, what problems were the people of Samarpur facing? So, face the problem of water shortage. Wells had dried up. So, this is the main problem. Wells had dried up, and women had to work. So, you will continue this. Wells had dried up. Wells had dried up, and women had to walk 5 kilometers to fetch water. Next one is, mention any two ways in which Nisha's family saved water. Mention any two ways. आपको टू वेज बतानी है जिसमें जो निशा की फैमिली थी वो पानी बचाती थी. तो वो कौन कौन सी वेज थी आप यहाँ से लिख सकते हो. That Nisha's family watered the plants before 9 a.m. or after 7 p.m. And they used a bucket instead of a bathtub for bathing. So these are the two. So I'll write the answer here. I hope you have done this. Nisha's family watered the plant. Third, Nisha's family watered the plant before 9 a.m. and after 7 p.m. 7 p.m. and after 7 p.m. and they used a bucket instead of, वो bucket use करते थे instead of bathtub, a bathtub for bathing. कि जो उसकी फैमिली थी वो एक तो 9 AM से पहले प्लांट्स को पानी देते थे, वाटर द प्लांट बिफोर 9 AM एंड आफ्टर 7 PM, और 7 बजे के बाद शाम को पानी देते थे, और जिससे कि वो बहुत लंबे समय तक पानी रहता था पौधों में। एंड दे यूज्ड अ बकेट इंस्टेड ऑफ अ बाथटब, तो वो बकेट यूज करते थे बाथटब की जगह पर बेदिंग के लिए, मतलब नहाने के लिए। The next one is, do you agree that immediate steps are needed to save water? क्या आप एग्री हो कि जो immediate steps हैं पानी को बचाने के, वो आप इस चीज़ से सहमत हो या नहीं हो कि जो पानी को बचाना है उसके इमीडिएट स्टेप्स सही है, मतलब इमीडिएट स्टेप्स हमें उठाने चाहिए जल्द से जल्द वो पानी को बचाने के लिए। तो आप इस चीज़ से सहमत हो या नहीं? तो यस, immediate steps are needed to save water because the earth is facing a water shortage already. So write this answer also. You can write yes. Yes, immediate steps are needed. Yes, immediate steps are needed, are needed to save the earth as it earth as it is facing a water shortage already. Water shortage already. So these are the answers of your A part, and we will continue this from tomorrow. B part, I will tell you the answers of D part tomorrow. And there is one exercise, answer with reference to the context. This answer also I will tell you tomorrow. And if you have any queries related to the chapter, or if you have any doubts, you can answer me on WhatsApp group, on class WhatsApp group. So thank you for today. Thank you.